This is a video introducing the key features of Electactic 18QT Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of 12-in-1 Smart Digital Control Panel. This air fryer toaster oven combo features a clear digital panel with 12 automatic cooking programs for simple, quick operation. Switch between air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, reheat. Cooking feels easier, faster, smarter. Healthy, non-toxic interior. A true non-toxic air fryer, no coating, no BPA, no PFAS. The cold-rolled steel interior handles high heat without chemicals. Wrapped in a sleek stainless steel exterior that elevates any kitchen. Safe. Durable. ETL certified. Experience fast, even heating from the powerful 1750 watt system. Set your ideal temperature from 70 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and use the adjustable 60-minute timer for precise results. This air fryer oven combo delivers crispy texture with up to 85% less oil compared to deep frying. 18-quart capacity. Compact. A versatile air fryer in a compact footprint perfect for daily family use. Fits pizza up to 10 to 12 inches, multiple toast slices, vegetables, or small meals for 2 to 3 people. Your go-to convection oven countertop solution for quick, efficient cooking. Full accessory set included. Comes with a rack, air fryer basket, baking tray, and crumb tray. Everything you need to bake, roast, toast, and air fry right out of the box, ideal for multi-use kitchen appliances needs. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.